If you're looking for an eco-friendly and cost-effective alternative to dryer sheets or fabric softeners, you should consider adding dryer balls to your laundry routine. Before creating this list, we researched options and turned to Patrick Richardson, the laundry evangelist, about the factors to consider when shopping for the best dryer balls. According to Richardson, dryer balls should be firm and smooth, about the size of a tennis ball. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best dryer balls on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, feature, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Handy Laundry Wool Dryer Balls. We chose the Handy Laundry Store Wool Dryer Balls as our pick for the best wool dryer balls because of their quality and drying efficiency. Made of 100% New Zealand wool that's tightly hand-rolled, felted, and free of fillers, these wool dryer balls are long-lasting and durable. The best wool dryer balls cut down dry time and save energy, which is why these wool dryer balls made our list. With a 3-inch diameter, these oversized dryer balls are larger than many of the options on our list, meaning they are a good choice for drying items like towels. They lift and separate laundry while in the dryer, creating better air circulation and reducing drying time by up to 25%. This allows you to dry your clothes more quickly while saving energy costs. Using these wool dryer balls helps your clothing feel fluffier and softer without dryer sheets or liquid fabric softeners. Number 2. Smart Sheep Dryer Balls. Made of 100% premium New Zealand wool, these natural dryer balls are free of chemicals, synthetics, or fillers, making a great choice if you have sensitive skin or are washing baby clothes. They are also free of petroleum, which is sometimes found in plastic dryer balls. Smart Sheep is a women-owned and operated company manufacturing the best dryer balls from Nepal. They use ethical fair trade practices and are inspected and packaged in the U.S. by work-from-home moms. These handmade, eco-friendly wool dryer balls can be used more than 1,000 times. They are a great alternative to liquid fabric softeners and dryer sheets. These wool dryer balls help dry clothes faster, which saves time, money, and energy. Use them to soften your clothing, reduce wrinkles, and trap pet hair. We recommend using 3 for small or medium loads of laundry and 5 to 6 for large loads of laundry. Number 3. Whitmore Dryer Balls. These eco-friendly plastic dryer balls have soft spikes that naturally fluff up and soften laundry without using chemicals or toxic materials. They also lift and separate your clothing while in the dryer, which provides more efficient airflow and reduces drying time. These dryer balls are designed to prevent clothes from twisting, tangling, or rubbing against each other, which results in less static. They are also effective at reducing wrinkles, so you might not need to iron your clothes after they come out of the dryer. Using these dryer balls also helps eliminate waste since they can be used in place of fabric softener. At less than $10, they're a great value. Why you should get it. These plastic dryer balls have soft spikes to help soften your clothing. Keep in mind, although a good value, this set only comes with 4 dryer balls, and most on our list come with 6. Number 4. Kintor Wool Dryer Balls. If you're looking for oversized wool dryer balls to keep your laundry extra fluffy, try this all-natural set by Kintor. Our favorite features include shorter drying time, softening laundry, and fewer wrinkles. These dryer balls can also help reduce static cling and collect lint and pet hair from clothing. Since they are made of 100% New Zealand wool without any fillers, chemicals, or synthetics, they are gentle enough to use when drying baby clothes or for those with sensitive skin. You can reuse them for 1,000 plus loads of laundry, which helps save energy. These 2.95-inch diameter organic wool dryer balls come in a package of 6 with a bonus cotton gift bag. Use 3 to 4 for a small or medium load of laundry and 6 for a large load of laundry. However, you may notice numerous sizes, colors, and textures because they are handmade. Number 5. Friendship Wool Dryer Balls. Although more expensive than the other dryer balls on our list, these by Friendship are worth the splurge because they can reduce drying time by up to 40%. They are made of 100% pure New Zealand wool and free of chemicals, fillers, and fragrances, safe to use if you have sensitive skin or when washing baby clothes. This set comes with 6 extra large wool dryer balls with koala bear designs. They can be safely used with all types of laundry, including colored, white, and dark clothing. If you want to minimize time spent doing laundry and do your part in helping the planet, consider these eco-friendly wool dryer balls. They are free of plastic and come with compostable paper packaging and an organic cotton storage bag. Best of all, Friendship plants one tree for each pack sold. These fair trade wool dryer balls are handmade in Nepal, supporting underprivileged women, fair wages, and ethical conditions. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.